Just got back from Aldi, so here is our Aldi haul. And before I went, I looked at the flyer of the week to see what I would want to get. And there are some fabulous specialty items that I have my heart set on and my eyes on, and went there specifically for those items. We'll get to those because some of them are grocery items specific to the theme of spring and St. Patrick's Day. So I just love that kind of food, so we'll get into those. And then I also have some Aldi Find specialty items that I was also looking for, and I can't wait to share those with you as well. Let's get started over here with the groceries and go through everything I purchased, and then we'll get into the whiteboard with some of the meals I have planned for this week and everything we have going on, because we have an event this weekend. So I'll reference those as I go through everything, and then we'll also see that whiteboard. All right, let's get into it. So here we have started just some produce. I got some onions, some yellow onions, a bag of that. I got some chicken breasts. These are the thinly sliced chicken breasts. I love these. I got a package of the corned beef brisket. This is the point cut. I love beef brisket because you can just throw it in the crock pot, maybe put in there some onions, and you just have a meal within a few hours, but it's just so flavorful. I just absolutely love it. So we'll get into some of the recipes I'll probably make with that, but also what I got specifically with that Irish theme are these ale and onion Irish style bangers. These sausages, they're gonna go so well with this is what I was thinking, these pierogies. These pierogies are stuffed with bacon, cheddar cheese, sour cream, and chives filled pasta. These are so flavorful. With those sausages, that's gonna be so delicious. Okay, and then for the weekend, an appetizer, I just wanna throw something together. I have these uncured beef hot dogs along with a package of crescent rolls, so thinking pigs in a blanket. And then I also purchased these 3 bags of Alfredo stuffed gnocchi. Now, this gnocchi is my son's absolute favorite. There have been many varieties of gnocchi that we find at Aldi, but these are his absolute favorite ones. And he's gonna be so excited to see I got him 3 bags because it's a specialty item. They're not here. I don't find them very often, so when I do, I'm grabbing them. And I've used these gnocchi before in a crock pot meal with meatballs and sauce. It is so good. I'll leave a link to it in the description because these are the best little gnocchi to use in that crock pot meal, and it's so quick and easy. So, but going up here, more recipes with chopped kale. Kale I'm gonna be using, I almost thought about a sheep bake meal with the pierogies and the sausages, or I might also use the kale. I have a soup in mind with a cauliflower. So this is such a large bag that I might be able to divide it into both meals, but we'll see. So that's a bag of chopped kale. And then Brussels sprouts, because I just love them. And then 2 more specialty items. This is bibimbap. This is a Korean style barbecue beef in a seaweed rice roll. Just sounds so flavorful and delicious. And then another variety of that is this spicy salmon in a seaweed rice roll. That's another variation. These are both frozen. And then some organic chicken broth. I just wanted a package of that for that soup I mentioned. And then more just snack items, but in the theme. Anytime I see Reuben and sauerkraut and, beer or ale infused, I'm all about it. So Reuben kettle chips, I had to grab it. Same with these Guinness crinkle cut Irish potato chips. Sounded so unique and delicious, so I grabbed a bag of those. And then also they had their marble rye, which is perfect this time of the year, and could also be that corned beef brisket. We can make sandwiches with that. We can make Reubens. That sounds so fabulous. And then, of course, I cannot leave Aldi or go to Aldi and leave without cheese. So this time the specialty cheese is this Pesto Gold. It's Dutch cheese with basil and garlic, and yes, it's green. The whole thing is green, and I hesitated to get it because I thought, who would want to eat green cheese? But I'm going to just tell them it's pesto, it's garlic and basil, so I'm hoping it's delicious and worth the green color. Then we got some more ginger paste. This is organic, so got some more of that. And then more cheese, this time a specialty. This is truffle cheddar cheese. That just sounded so good to me. So I wanted to pick up something unique and different, so got that. And then more cheese we just needed for the week, some Mexican style. This is the blend of all the cheeses. Okay, sweet items for the weekend. Got some mini butter biscuits, dark chocolate. I've not tried these before, so these are Belgian 100% chocolate. They had them in dark and milk chocolate, so I got the dark, because then I also picked up these. These are these wonderful Torino mint chocolate cookies. They also had regular chocolate, milk chocolate, but the mint just sounded like a unique twist on that, and especially around St. Patrick's Day. So picked up that. That's all the items I got. So I really had a lot to work with already from last week's haul. I was really just going for a lot of specialty items. So that is our groceries. Let's get into more specialty items, the Aldi finds. So here's an item I've been eyeing and thought this was perfect. They were at the right price point. A 5-piece set, wood and silicone utensil set. They had 3 colors. They had cream, blue, and green, and I went with the cream to stay neutral. I just love it. I think these are so nice. I love the silicone. We are investing in nicer, newer pans and pots, and I want to make sure we keep them scratch-free. So I want to get these kind of utensils. So I thought that was perfect. And then also, upgrading and improving our kitchen is to move away from plastic. And we have about most of all our plastic items converted to glass, but I needed just a few more. So this was the perfect set. Glass bowls with snapping lids. This is 12 pieces. So you get 6 containers with 6 lids, and it has that blue lid. I just love this. This is perfect for our leftovers and all of our food storage items. So it's going to be great to replace the rest of the plastic. Okay. So then this, speaking of organizing, is a 6-piece drawer organizer set. And it has the different variations, different sizes. And I already bought one set of this before, but it worked so well, I thought, I'm gonna grab another while I see it. So I went ahead and got this set, and I can use it in more areas around the house. So pick that up. Okay, I'm also a sucker for anything planner. And so when I saw this for only $4.99, I just went ahead and grabbed it. Weekly desktop calendar. It's undated. It's just a pad of weekly plans, and you get to put the dates in, or, you know, the week of dates. And it's Sunday through Saturday, a weekly plan here. And then they also have the to buy and to do list. But I was thinking, even if I don't use this, because I do have planners that I am, you know, just love, but I just thought this might be good on the desk for doodling. But even if I didn't use it, I thought for $5, these sticker set comes with it. And if these stickers, even if I use a few of them in my planners, this is worth the value. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Also, it was the last one. So I felt like it was speaking to me to be grabbed. All right. Other items I grabbed. I did pick up a denim jacket. This, they had 2 colors. They had this denim blue color, and then they had the black denim. And I went ahead with the blue. I've been wanting another one. I hope this fits, so I'll do a try on here in a little bit. But they had all the women's sizes up to extra large, so got that. And then another clothing item. I just thought these were so cute, these soft leggings. They had like 4 varieties. They were very specific to St. Patrick's Day in spring. I almost got the one with the beer mugs, but I settled for this flower one because I thought it could be used more often than one week of the year, one day of the year. And so I got this soft microfiber, cutest little spring flower pattern, adorable. So got that. Okay, speaking of St. Patrick's Day, I did pick up this garland. This is St. Patrick's Day garland. And if you can see on the package here, these are little pots of gold and little shamrocks, and it's felt. So cute. I think that's going to be great when I have all of my Irish food out. I like to hang something and decorate the whole area, and this is going to be a perfect addition to that. Okay, and then you got to be fashionable when you're cleaning. So I got pink gloves. This is actually, my hands have been getting dried out from doing dishes and everything. So I got these silicone scrub gloves. Now, they do seem pretty large, so this may be a return item. Maybe it was a little impulsive, but we're going to try them out and see. They did have them in a variety of colors. I think it was like blue and green, and maybe just the 3, blue, green, and pink. But anyway, super cute, and maybe it'll make me want to wash dishes more. All right, so that's everything. That's our groceries, that's our finds, that's our seasonal items, that's everything from this spring haul. Of course, I'm sure they're gonna have more St. Patrick's Day items as it gets closer, so I'm sure I'll be going back for those items. But this is everything. Let's get into the week plan for our meals this week. Let's check out that menu board. Okay, here's our menu board, and here are the meals we're planning for the week. So these are some easy meals, and you see two colors here, the blue. The blue is the items we already had on hand, so that's why it was a smaller haul, because we're still using up what we had from the winter haul, and a lot of items we can use still, so that's so great. That's why it helps reduce that budget. So we have those, and then in purple are the new items I just bought. So let's go over what we're gonna eat this week. The pork chops, they're defrosting. We'll probably throw those in a crock pot, and then I'm gonna make mini meatloafs with some ground beef and asparagus and potatoes. And then soups from our soup group we had this week. We have some plenty left over. We have Italian, we have taco soup, and we have shrimp soup. So plenty to eat. We'll eat on that tonight. And then we have turkey sausage and cauliflower. Might be making another soup or maybe something else with that, but that's with the kale. And then the corned beef brisket, we'll put that in a crock pot and make that with some potatoes, maybe some carrots and what other vegetables I have. And then we have another meal plan is for sausage, pierogies, and kale. I'm thinking a casserole. I made like a wonton casserole the other day, and I'm thinking we can kind of go similarly with that, and we'll make it with a Dijon cream sauce. Just kind of making that up on the fly, and we'll see how that goes. But that's the plan for the meals. Now this weekend me and a friend are going to be doing some scrapbooking. So I've invited her over, and we're just going to commit ourselves to very focused time to scrapbooking, but we need to eat. And so I have some plans for finger foods like pigs in a blanket, some salads, and then popcorn and guac and chips and veggie tray and fruit tray and some cookies and crackers and cheese and some grilled sandwiches on that marbled rye would be delicious. And then for dinners, maybe we're thinking of frozen pizza or some chicken tenders to have some added protein, or maybe just kind of eat these same items all throughout the day. So we'll see. But you know, finger foods, fun foods when you're doing a crafty project. All right, and then Sunday, that's my reminder to make sourdough bread because I still have my starters and we'll need more sourdough for the week. So if I have time, I'd like to focus on more sourdough bread. So that's the plan. That's what we're thinking this week and looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave a video on the screen here that includes the wonton bake I mentioned that I made recently, and the link to the gnocchi meatball crockpot video, that will be in the description box. Thanks again. I'll see you on the next video.